Travel Delhi on budget. Welcome to the city of Delhi, where the past and present coexist in a vibrant tapestry of culture, history, and modernity. With a population of over 20 million people, Delhi is a cosmopolitan metropolis that offers a kaleidoscope of experiences to travelers from all over the world. From the grandeur of the Red Fort to the majestic Lotus Temple, Delhi is home to some of the most iconic landmarks in India. The narrow lanes of Chandni Chowk, the vibrant markets of Sarojini Nagar, and the trendy cafes of Haus Khas village offer a glimpse into the city's bustling street culture and contemporary lifestyle. But what truly sets Delhi apart is its rich cultural heritage, shaped by centuries of history and influenced by a multitude of ethnicities and faiths. Whether it's the vibrant colors of Holi or the solemnity of Eid, the city's many festivals and celebrations offer a window into India's diverse cultural tapestry. From classical music and dance to contemporary art and theater, Delhi is a hub of creativity and expression that never ceases to amaze. And the best part? You can experience all of this without breaking the bank. From affordable guest houses and hostels to delicious street food and free attractions, there are plenty of budget-friendly options to explore Delhi. Whether you're a backpacker on a shoestring budget or a family looking for a wallet-friendly vacation, Delhi has something for everyone. So, get ready to discover the best of Delhi on a budget. Follow our guide to explore the city's hidden gems, savor its culinary delights, and soak in its vibrant cultural scene. With our tips and recommendations, you'll be able to experience the city like a local and make unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. Getting around Delhi. As a traveler in Delhi, getting around can be an adventure in itself. The city's diverse transportation options offer unique experiences, from soaring above the streets in the metro to navigating the narrow alleys in a rickshaw. Let's explore the various ways to get around Delhi and discover the hidden gems of this bustling metropolis. The Delhi Metro is a modern and reliable option for travelers, with its sleek trains and extensive network covering most parts of the city. The metro offers a bird's-eye view of the city, with panoramic views of iconic landmarks like the Qutub Minar and the Lotus Temple. The stations themselves are a work of art, with colorful murals and installations showcasing India's rich cultural heritage. Buses are a popular and affordable option for those looking to explore Delhi's diverse neighborhoods and suburbs. While they can be crowded and slow during rush hour, they offer a chance to soak in the local flavor and witness the city's frenetic pace up close. Some of the best street food and shopping can be found around bus stops and terminals, making it a great way to combine sightseeing and snacking. Auto rickshaws, or tuk-tuks as they are commonly known, are a quintessential part of Delhi's transportation scene. While they may seem like a novelty at first, they are a convenient way to navigate the city's narrow lanes and alleys. The drivers are usually friendly and chatty, offering insider tips on the best places to eat, shop, and sightsee. Bargain hard with them, though, as they are known to overcharge tourists. Taxis are a more comfortable and convenient option for those willing to spend a bit more. Several taxi companies and ride-hailing apps are available in Delhi, offering air-conditioned cars and GPS navigation. Taxis are a great option for exploring the city's outskirts or visiting attractions that are not easily accessible by public transport. Make sure to negotiate the fare before getting in or use the app's fare estimator feature to avoid surprises. For the adventurous and fitness-conscious, cycling and walking are great options to explore Delhi's hidden gems and offbeat neighborhoods. Many rental companies offer bicycles and helmets for a reasonable price, with several guided tours available for those who prefer a more structured experience. Walking tours are also a popular way to discover the city's history, culture, and cuisine, with several companies offering themed tours like street food, heritage, and art walks. Whatever mode of transport you choose, keep an open mind and be prepared for the unexpected. Delhi is a city that rewards curiosity and exploration, with surprises around every corner. From the buzzing bazaars of Old Delhi to the serene parks of Lutyens Delhi, there's something for every traveler in this vibrant metropolis. So, hop on a metro train, flag down a tuk-tuk, or pedal your way through the streets. the adventure awaits. Affordable accommodations. Delhi is a city that can be overwhelming for first-time visitors, but finding affordable accommodation need not be. In this chapter, we will take you through some of the best options for budget-friendly stays in Delhi and provide some helpful tips to make your stay more enjoyable. Hostels are a great option for solo travelers and backpackers looking for an affordable and social experience. Delhi has several hostels located in popular tourist areas like Paharganj and Karol Bagh. These hostels offer dormitory-style accommodations with shared bathrooms, communal kitchens, and common areas to meet fellow travelers. Some hostels also offer private rooms at slightly higher rates. Hostels like Zostel, Mustache, and Stops Hostel are popular choices for budget travelers. Guest houses are another affordable option for travelers looking for a more homely atmosphere. Delhi has several guest houses located in quieter residential areas, away from the hustle and bustle of the city center. Guest houses like Vivek Hotel and Sunstar Grand offer simple and clean rooms with basic amenities like air conditioning and hot water. Many also serve home-cooked meals, giving travelers a taste of local cuisine. Homestays are a unique way to experience Delhi's culture and hospitality, with locals opening up their homes to travelers. Homestays range from simple rooms in family homes to luxurious villas with personalized service. This option is great for those looking for an authentic and immersive experience, as hosts often offer insights into local customs and traditions. Popular homestay options in Delhi include Shanti Home and B&B Chrysalis. If you prefer more privacy and comfort, budget hotels are a good option. Delhi has several budget hotels located in central areas, offering clean and basic rooms with amenities like air conditioning and Wi-Fi. Hotels like Hotel Qualita, Hotel Singh Empire DX, and Hotel Yuvraj Deluxe are popular options for budget-conscious travelers. When choosing an affordable accommodation option in Delhi, it is important to consider the location. Paharganj and Karol Bagh are popular tourist areas with plenty of budget-friendly options. Connaught Place, the heart of Delhi, has several budget hotels but can be relatively expensive compared to other areas. South Delhi and East Delhi also have a range of affordable accommodations options. Do your research before booking and compare prices and reviews online. Book in advance to get the best deals, especially during peak tourist season, October to March. Make sure to check the amenities offered, including Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and hot water. Lastly, don't be afraid to negotiate the price if you're staying for an extended period. With these tips and options, finding affordable accommodation in Delhi is easy. Choose the option that suits your needs and preferences, and get ready to explore the vibrant city of Delhi without breaking the bank. Eating on a budget. Delhi is a food lover's paradise, but dining out can be expensive, especially in touristy areas. In this chapter, we will show you how to eat delicious food on a budget and give you some tips on where to find the best local eats. Street food is a quintessential part of Delhi's food culture, and it's a great way to try a variety of dishes without spending a lot of money. Street food vendors can be found all over the city, serving up mouth-watering delicacies like chaat, chole bhature, and parathas. Some popular street food markets in Delhi include Chandni Chowk, Kareem's, and Lajpat Nagar. If you prefer a sit-down meal, local restaurants or dhabas are a great option. These eateries offer authentic Indian cuisine at reasonable prices. Dishes like dal makhani, butter chicken, and tandoori roti are staples in these restaurants. Some popular local restaurants in Delhi include Paranthe Wali Gali, Cake Di Hatti, and Pindi. If you prefer to cook your meals, supermarkets like Big Bazaar and Reliance Fresh are great places to stock up on groceries. These stores offer a variety of fresh produce, packaged foods, and household items at affordable prices. You can also find ready-to-eat meals, snacks, and drinks at these supermarkets. When eating on a budget in Delhi, it's important to be cautious about hygiene and cleanliness. Look for vendors or restaurants that have a steady stream of customers and are preparing food fresh. Avoid eating food that has been sitting out for too long or looks unhygienic. If you're on a tight budget, avoid eating in touristy areas like Connaught Place or Khan Market. Instead, venture out to local markets like Sarojini Nagar or Kamla Nagar, where you can find cheap and delicious street food. With these tips, you can enjoy delicious food without breaking the bank in Delhi. So go ahead and indulge in the city's culinary delights, and don't forget to try the famous butter chicken and parathas. Free attractions. Delhi is a city rich in history and culture, and there are many attractions to see. But visiting tourist spots can be expensive, especially for budget travelers. In this chapter, we will show you some of the best free attractions in Delhi. The Lotus Temple is a beautiful Bahá'í house of worship, shaped like a lotus flower, and is a must-visit attraction in Delhi. The temple is free to enter, and visitors can spend time in the serene atmosphere of the temple, meditate or just admire the architecture. For the Lotus Temple, take the metro to the Kalkaji Mandir station, and from there, it's just a short walk to the temple. The Red Fort is located in Old Delhi, and the nearest metro station is Chandni Chowk. From there, you can walk to the fort or take a cycle rickshaw for a more authentic experience. The Red Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a magnificent structure that dates back to the Mughal era. Although there is an entry fee to enter the fort complex, visitors can enjoy the stunning architecture from outside without spending a penny. Jama Masjid is one of the largest mosques in India and is located in the heart of Old Delhi. Visitors can explore the mosque for free, including the courtyard, prayer hall, and the minarets, which offer stunning views of the city. For the Jama Masjid, take the metro to the Chowri Bazaar station and walk to the mosque, which is located just a few minutes away. The Qutub Minar is located in the southern part of the city, and the nearest metro station is Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is a towering minaret, standing at a height of 73 meters and is a symbol of the rich history of Delhi. Visitors can admire the minaret and the surrounding architecture for free, although there is a fee to enter the Qutub Minar complex. The Garden of Five Senses is a beautiful park that offers visitors a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. The park is free to enter and is a great place to relax, have a picnic, or take a stroll through the lush greenery. The Garden of Five Senses is located in the Saket area of Delhi, and the nearest metro station is Saket. In addition to these attractions, there are many other free things to see and do in Delhi, such as exploring the street art in Lodi Art District, walking around the India Habitat Center, or visiting the National Museum on Sundays when entry is free. When planning your itinerary, make sure to include these free attractions to get a taste of the city's culture and history without spending a lot of money. With these free attractions, you can experience the best of Delhi without breaking the bank. So, grab your camera, put on your walking shoes, and explore the city's free attractions. Shopping on a budget. Delhi is a shopper's paradise with its markets offering a wide range of products at reasonable prices. However, shopping can quickly add up and break your budget. In this chapter, we will show you some of the best ways to shop on a budget in Delhi. One of the best ways to shop on a budget in Delhi is to hit the street markets. Places like Sarojini Nagar Market and Lajpat Nagar Market offer a wide range of clothes, accessories, and home decor at bargain prices. To get to Sarojini Nagar Market, you can take the metro to the Aina station and then take a short rickshaw ride or walk to the market. The Lajpat Nagar Market is also easily accessible by metro, and the nearest station is Lajpat Nagar. Remember to bargain hard and don't be afraid to walk away if the price is not right. Another great place to shop on a budget is the Delhi Haat. It's a craft bazaar that showcases handmade products from all over India at reasonable prices. The Delhi Haat has multiple locations throughout the city, but the most popular one is located in Aina, near Delhi Haat metro station. You can also take a rickshaw or taxi to get there. If you're looking for a more upscale shopping experience, head to DLF Promenade or select City Walk Mall. These malls offer a wide range of local and international brands, but remember to check for sales and discounts before making any purchases. DLF Promenade and Select City Walk Mall are both located in the upscale area of Saket and are easily accessible by metro. The nearest station is Malviya Nagar, and from there, you can take a short rickshaw or taxi ride to the malls. Remember to plan your shopping trip carefully and make a list of what you need to avoid overspending. And always keep your bargaining skills sharp to get the best deals. Happy shopping! And that's a wrap on our guide to exploring Delhi on a budget. We hope we've been able to help you discover some affordable ways to make the most of your trip to this vibrant city. From exploring the city's history at the Humayun's tomb and Red Fort to shopping at the street markets and malls, there's no shortage of things to do in Delhi that won't break the bank. And don't forget to indulge in the local cuisine and street food while you're here. Delhi is a foodie's paradise, and there's something for everyone's taste buds. Delhi is a city that never sleeps, and there's always something new to discover around every corner. So, take the time to soak in the local culture and immerse yourself in the city's rich history. As the sun sets on the India Gate, we hope you've had an unforgettable experience in Delhi. We wish you safe travels and hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching.